Unlocking Idioms. Shake a leg, explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that might have you picturing someone dancing around. Shake a leg. But does it really have to do with dancing? Or is there more to this expression? Stay tuned as we uncover the meaning, origin, and how to use shake a leg in everyday English conversations. To start, let's unravel the mystery behind shake a leg. Surprisingly, this phrase has nothing to do with physical movement or dancing in most contexts. When someone says, shake a leg, they're actually urging another person to hurry up or get moving. It's a playful, informal way to tell someone to speed things up without sounding too serious or commanding. The origins of idiomatic expressions can often be as intriguing as their meanings. Shake a leg is believed to have nautical roots. Some stories suggest that sailors were told to shake a leg to show they were awake and ready to start the day. Others believe it was a way to tell people to get out of bed quickly. Over time, the phrase evolved beyond the confines of naval life and into everyday language, where its meaning broadened to simply hurrying up. Now that we know what it means and where it comes from, let's put shake a leg into action. This idiom fits perfectly into casual settings. For example, if you're running late for a movie, your friend might say, "Come on, shake a leg, or we'll miss the beginning." Before leaving for a trip, if someone is taking too long to pack, you could gently remind them by saying, "We need to leave in 10 minutes, shake a leg." Remember, while it's a fun and informal expression, it might not be suitable for very formal or professional situations. And there you have it, the lowdown on shake a leg. We hope this exploration adds a fun phrase to your English vocabulary and encourages you to use it in your daily conversations. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the culture and expressions that come with it. Until next time, keep learning and don't forget to shake a leg with your English studies.